By doing these simple things, you can feel more focused, more energized, feel like you could achieve anything. And I'm going to share to you what you need to do so you can achieve anything possible, really. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to go into the link in the description and fill out the mental health assessment. This day gives you a depression and anxiety score. And to be honest, it's actually quite fun and it shows you how depressed you are. Save the score that you have got, depression and anxiety, whether that be 14/7 or whatever it is. Save it onto your computer or write it down somewhere. And by the end of the 2 weeks, I want you to redo the assessment and then write down that score, and then it will show you how much progress you have made within those 2 weeks, because it really can change your life onto your computer as well. And I want you to set clear goals, whether that may be for relationships or maybe for your career or for your health. I want you to set clear goals, whether it be working out for 30 minutes or reading for 10 minutes. I want them to be specific and precise and a clear goal that you need to do. Don't just say, I want to be fit. At least say something like 30 minutes of exercise. By setting these clear goals, it will set you off a blueprint and a structure that you need to do, and it will make you do it. And it shows you what you need to do so you can achieve the end goal that you want to be, either have a fit body or a healthy body, or to have money or whatever. Now, the next thing after that, I want you to, on your computer, or write it down. At the top of it, I want you to put habit tracker, and on the left side, I want you to make a list 1 to 14 for 2 weeks, obviously. And at the top, I want you to write exercise, reading, journaling, meditating, and learning. You can either change around these habits or make it best for you, because you might not want to go to the gym, or you might not need to meditate, as you say. Change these habits or have these habits to have the best optimal change in those 2 weeks. And then every task that you have done, I want you to tick them off, whether that maybe even be 10 seconds of exercise or 10 seconds of reading or meditating, or whatever it is. If you've done the minimal, whatever habit you have done, tick it off, whatever that may be, because you start off small and then you keep working your way up, making it longer, making it better, making it more focused. And once you've set those goals and made the habit tracker, the next major thing that you need to do is create a routine for you, whether that may be creating a routine the night before or creating a whole routine for a whole month, or well, for the 2 weeks or for 1 week or for 1 day, whatever that may be. Create a routine so you have a plan, and you're more consistent, you're more likely to do the tasks required to change your life within those 2 weeks. And if you want me to go more in depth about routines, you can also click on the second link in the description, which is my video about routines, morning routines specifically, and what you should do to optimize that routine. And the next thing is what I preach about over and over and over again. I'll forever preach about it, because honestly, I started not too long ago and it has been the best decision I've made, and that is gratitude journaling. Whether that may be one word or a sentence, or write something down or type it onto your computer with a list and a label, gratitude journaling, 2 bullet points or 3 bullet points, whatever that may. Just say something that you're grateful for. Like, I'm grateful for this lamp. I never used it for years. My mum got it for me. But ever since I started recording my YouTube videos, it is what keeping my videos okay quality. And I am really grateful for that. And I have wrote that in my gratitude journal. It can be literally anything. You could write about anything. It doesn't matter. As long as you're grateful for it, just write it down. And then it sets you in a better mood. And this one is probably the most important, but also the least important. But it's the most important, so you can stick to this routine or plan, whatever you may call it. Stick to it and avoid yourself falling off. Is by limiting distractions. Turn off your notifications, start going on social media, or delete social media, or limit the time you are on your phone so you can focus on doing these habits or this plan or this blueprint, whatever you may call it, and let people know that you're busy or whatever. Just limit your distractions, and you'll be able to do this and follow the plan easily within those 2 weeks, and your life will be changed and it'll be normal for you, it'll be comfortable for you. So therefore you wouldn't have to force yourself to not get distracted, and by doing meditating and everything else like that will make sure you're more focused and more disciplined in doing the tasks that you need to do to change your life. And this next one may seem controversial, and it's the last one, but it's connecting with others. I'm not saying to go out and party with friends or whatever, but surround yourself with positive and great people that are probably on the same path as you, that will ensure you stick to the path that you're on, because your friends will make sure you're staying on that path, and you will make sure your friends are staying on that path, so you're on the journey together. So that's why it's good to surround yourself and connect with other people, new people. Maybe, I know that may be scary, and maybe you have anxiety or depression, but within these 2 weeks it will get better and easier, and you're going to want to push yourself, and you're going to want to make new friends. If you're surrounded by a bad group, you'll eventually realize that they're not on the same path as you, and you want to do better with your life and they're just not worth your time. And to summarize everything is to do the link in the description, set clear goals, do the habit tracker, create a routine, gratitude journal, limit your distractions and connect with others. By doing these steps, your life will change dramatically over the 2 weeks. And that is in such a short period of time. Now imagine doing that for the rest of your life. Your life will turn over like crazy. And this should be it for everyone. And once you've done this, I recommend you tell your friends or tell your family, whoever that may be, to do the same. Maybe not to tell them to watch my video, but at least tell them the principles and what they need to do to change their life around as well. And if you're further struggling or you think you're going to struggle and you want to avoid the mistakes that you could make, you can also watch this video to help you avoid all the mistakes that you could be making. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, keep learning and strive for more. Peace.